Abby. Come on. Can you say good morning to your daddy? Abby. Don't run mommy over. Psst. What are you doing? No, don't run me over. I'm your food dispenser, remember?
Daddy.
Say good morning to daddy.
Daddy.
Say hi, daddy. Show daddy how you can drive your car now. Where's Abby? Beep, beep. Can you back up for mama? Beep, beep, beep. Back up. Put your back up noise on. Abby. Psst. There you go, monkey. It is monkey powered now, daddy. Where you going? You crashed. Say oops. Beep. Beep, beep. Where you going? Where you going? Are you driving to see Papa? Say no. It's too far to drive to see Papa. Where's Papa? Where's Daddy? Abby, can you blow Daddy a kiss? That's my girl. Can I have another kiss? Abby, can you blow Mommy a kiss? Beep, beep. Abby, can you say goodbye to Daddy? Say bye, Daddy. Good job. Say I love you, Daddy. Too much still? Can't say that yet.